So today we are 201.2 on this lovely Friday. Yeah, we are. I just had my shake this morning too, so I don't know if I did this before, but this is with the shake and some water in me. But you see we growing.
Alright, yo, what's good? So just got done eating food, and it was delicious. As usual. I had some arugula down there at the bottom, some avocado oil on top of that, and I put some millet is the yellow stuff. I got some red onions to the left of that. I got some raisins, some walnuts, some cooked beans. It's a bunch of mixed beans put in the crock pot and cooked for about 7 hours. Good flavor, good seasoning. And I got some green peas on top. I did some red wine vinegar and also some salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper. And it was absolutely amazing. I didn't even have any dressing, just avocado oil, a little bit of olive oil, and red wine vinegar was absolutely enough flavor, enough moisture to make the salad taste good without any added dressing. I'm a fan of dressing if it's high quality, but I've learned that you can do it without it too. So that is my lunch, my beautiful people. And we're about to go to the gym. I'm gonna take a shower here, finish making these videos, and charge my phone, and then we're going to the gym, make some gains. And today is the last day for upper body workout for phase 1. This is phase 1's final upper body workout, and I feel great. So I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna attack my warm-up, I'm gonna make sure that it's done like I do it all the time to the best of my ability, and then I'm going to attack an upper body workout with some pressure, with some intensity, with some volume, with some resistance, because I feel good. It's the last day before I take off time from my upper body for about a week or so. And then tomorrow with leg day we will go hard too as well. So I'm excited. It's week 4, day 5. I don't know if I've been saying week 3, but it's week 4, day 5. We're ending phase 1, and we're going hard in the paint today. So stay tuned and then enjoy the workout. Alright, so I just got done warming up, as you can see here. And I never used to warm up at all, but now you can see my warm-up game is pretty efficient. You want the body warm, you want the muscles loose, you want the blood flowing so that you get the best workout. It makes a difference, and you are a lot safer. You prevent a lot of injury because your body is working appropriately. So one thing I would say to people who are just getting started, people watching this video, looking for some content that will help move you forward as far as your goals are concerned. In the gym, when you go work out, one thing that you can do every single workout so that you get an effective workout is to warm up, right? I'll be going over my warm up in the next couple of days when I have my days off. I'll take you guys through it step by step. It's very simple. It's like 10-15 minutes at the most, but it definitely guarantees you to sweat like this. You have to drink water, be hydrated, all that stuff, but I've done this every day for the last 4 weeks, or every time I've been in the gym, and I've sweat every single time. So stay tuned. The warm-up is massively important. It's beneficial for the growth, weight loss, your just overall effective exercise. So make sure you warm up. All right, hit the Stairmaster, do some foam rolling, some step-ups, and you'll be good. All right, now it's time to work out.
All right, so yo, what's good? I already had my shake and dinner for tonight. For today, it's 9:45 p.m. I just didn't record it, but this is what I had. I had arugula base, millet, peas, red onions, walnuts, raisins, and avocado in the middle. Some avocado oil, so a little bit of cannibalism going on when it comes to the avocados, and then some salt, pepper, cayenne pepper. You know, more of the same thing. Now, because I'm up making content still, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna be up and making content. And this is usually what happens when people are snacking. They're up, right? If I was in bed around this time where I usually go to bed, sun's down, there's no reason to be up, then I would be sleeping and then I wouldn't be snacking. But because I'm up, because there's lights on, the body's like, oh, we must be getting ready for the day. We must need energy and stuff. And so it's easier to be tempted to snack and eat food. I say all that to say, that's what I'm doing. I made some oatmeal. Making some oatmeal for like the first time in the last 6 weeks. I've only been eating salads. I've only been having shakes. And I just wanted to eat some oatmeal just because I'm going to need more calories going into the phase 2. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. I'm just going to need more calories. And so I will just add on to what I'm doing salad-wise. But I have oatmeal in the cabinet. And so I made oatmeal. And I got some oat milk inside of there. So a little bit of cannibalism when it comes to the oats and oat milk too. Would you look at that? Eating this and then I'm creating content and then we're going to bed. So late night snacking happens because we're up late at night. If you take your ass to bed, you won't be snacking because you'll be sleeping. So that's the short of it, right? Other than that, drink some water, eat enough protein so that you're actually not hungry. But if you have your meals throughout the day and you're feeling like a snack, look at the time. If it's past 10 o'clock, I mean, depending on your bedtime, but if you have to wake up like a normal human being in the morning, I'm in bed by 10. So if I'm past my bedtime, then that's why I'm snacking. So look at your bedtime, see what time you're in bed, what time you should be in bed, and then you can be like, okay, if I was sleeping, like Roy said, I wouldn't be snacking. So go to sleep so you don't snack. Okay?